Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Wells-on-Sea in North Norfolk. The Albatros has been away for a while, a couple of years, and it's returned after refurbishment. So I decided, seeing as I'd previously stayed on it in the past, I thought I'd come along and see how it looks today. I thought it might have been opened, but it isn't yet. It's not ready. It's not completely finished. I filmed when I stayed on the Albatros, and the link to that video will be at the end of this one. Opposite the Albatros is the Wales horse. So sometimes it's almost covered by the water, and other times you can see all of it. I'm just walking along the quay down to where all the crab pots are and going past various buildings, holiday properties, the old customs house. There's so much to see along here. It's definitely worth parking up and just having a slow amble along, and just, you never know what you might spot. Or, of course, who you might spot. You never know. There used to be a wonderful train that would take you down to the beach, but this electric bus has replaced that. I seem to take endless photos of all the boats this side. They just, to me, look absolutely stunning. They really do. And every time I look, I see something different. So now I've just moved up the coast a short distance to Holkham Hall. Spring or early summer, I visited here very briefly, and I said I would return and have a proper look around. So this is today. There's some sort of a sports event going on here for children. So the whole of the front lawn area is taken up. But I wasn't going to that part. I was going to walk around the lake and see if I can make it all the way up to the church. Everything is spread so far apart, so next time I go, I'm going to walk up to this monument and see what that's all about. Another long walk by the looks of it. Beautiful fallow deer are in the grounds of Holkham Hall. There's a sign that says there's around 400 deer here in the herd, but I need to get walking onto my next place that I'd like to visit, so I don't actually have time to stop and count them for you. Perhaps we'll do that next time. I finally feel as though I'm getting closer to the church and might actually make it after all. It actually turns out to be a 5-mile walk I do here around the grounds of Holkham Hall. So I've made it up the hill, past all the deer to the church, get to the gates, and there's another hill to climb because the church is actually sat on a hill. I think that's the mausoleum for the Cook family. It looks like it's pronounced Coke, but it's Cook. And I was going to go back and go down to the mausoleum. But of course I forgot, didn't I? I spent so long in the church filming everything and having a well earned sit down before making the trek back down the hill, past all the fabulous Barnacle geese and the deer. So I know I don't normally put these types of videos on this channel, but I've made it my mission to go around all of the Norfolk Broads and film everything to do within the Norfolk Broads, and that includes all the churches, along with lots of other things, the church ruins, ruins like St Benet's Abbey, places of interest, places to visit, everything. I try to include everything within the Norfolk Broads. But I also have day trips out where I go further afield within Norfolk or Suffolk and film places of interest that you could do day trips to if you're holidaying within the Norfolk Broads area. Because it's not just boats, there's camper vans, motorhomes, hotels, chalet parks, static caravans, touring caravan sites. So I just try to show you all the different places you can get to in a day trip. I feel extremely lucky to live in Norfolk because there is so many things out there, so many places to go and visit. So here are all the deer and the Barnacle geese that I've got to get past to get back down to the hall. Before you all ask about this bike, I've no idea. So please feel free to enlighten me, as it looks most unusual. I'm led to believe you can't always get into these gardens as they're reserved for when they have weddings. But it was such a hot, bright day that it's made my photographs go dark. I hope you've enjoyed the very brief visit to Wells to see the Albatros, and then on to here, Holkham Hall. I think that's just about me for today. I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.